Hi Ken.
Hi Samsu, how are you doing? So what can I support you this round?
Alright Ken, my design team and my machinists are using SOLIDWORKS CAM right now. So we're looking CAM solution to improve our manufacturing process. What you can suggest to us?
Wow, that's great that you are expanding your team. So I would like to suggest you to look into utilization of integrated CAD-CAM solution like SOLIDWORKS CAM or CAMWorks.
What mean by the integrated and what should I use it?
So since your users are using SOLIDWORKS right now, means on top of your SOLIDWORKS CAD interface, you add on a CAM interface for you to perform the programmings. It's just like a bridge between your design team and also your manufacturing team, and give them the full control from design until manufacturing process.
And how my design team and machinists can benefit from the software?
Oh, there are a few reasons why our customers shift from the standalone CAM software into the integrated CAD-CAM systems. The first reason is to eliminate the CAD and data translation errors. So, Samsu, is your current designer required to convert the file to your programmers or your machinists to perform the CAM?
Yes Ken, correct?
So, how often and do there any errors happen because of the possible different version of using?
Yes, we face that frequently.
Alright, so the integrated CAD-CAM systems is eliminate the costly and extra data translation steps between the CAD and CAM applications. They are operating in the same 3D model. So with a standalone system, the translations will always occurring and possible to have errors. So and therefore, the possible version of the CAD issue and the version changes may be causing a lot of manufacturing costs. So and therefore, the integrated CAD-CAM offer the true associativity between the design and also the manufacturing programs. So that means any modification made on the design are automatically updated in the CAM data, which can eliminate the time consuming the CAM solution to rework due to the design changes. The second reason is simplify workflow and automate the manufacturing process. So, Samsu, is your company right now hire different programmers?
Yes, at the moment we have 3 machinists.
I see. So therefore, 3 machinists or 3 programmers is potentially to have 3 different inconsistent programs. Am I correct?
Yes, we can say so.
So the reason behind because they might have different ideas to program the parts or on their CAM because they would think that their ideas will be the best. So the standalone CAM systems are typically process-based rather than feature-based programmings, because the program process will be start from selecting the tools and then generating the operation like millings, pockettings, roughings, and then they will select the speeds, feed rates, and other cutting parameters. However, on the integrated CAD-CAM systems, will eliminate all these extra steps by the data translations and utilizing the same interface as the design allows for simplified design to manufacturing workflows. The integrated CAD-CAM solution like SOLIDWORKS CAM or CAMWorks, they will automatically generate the CNC program, including selecting all the tool speed and feed rates I mentioned earlier, and they will also create the best tool path to manufacturing the parts, because the system will able to read the information like tolerances, surface finish information, and product manufacturing information on the 3D models. The third reason why is to stay connected, is to avoid all the files disconnected for the maintenance purpose. So Samsu, is your current CAD files and CAM file are separated?
Yes, Ken, yes.
So how your designer and your programmer save the file?
My designer will save the file and send it to machinist.
I see. So and then they will generate the program and then save it as another CAM file, isn't it?
Correct.
So very probably they will be put into the server, or maybe they save into their personal PC and without communicate the CAD files and the CAM file anymore.
Betul.
So that is the reason why the design changes occur. The CAM file might be not updated, and if required, the CAM part must be completely reprogrammed again. So integrated CAD-CAM system is to keep your data organized so that you can work in a team, working in a parallel, and react faster to the design changes. And this system have repositories with the file management that ensure everyone is working on the latest design iterations. Using the master model with the associativity allows you to perform analysis, simulations, and the cutting path updates faster without the version conflicts. So as a conclusion, Shamsul, I think the 3 reasons and the benefit mentioned here, the integrated CAD-CAM solutions such as SOLIDWORKS CAM and CAMWorks will be helpful for you to collaborate better between your departments of design and manufacturing.
Wow, Ken, I think your solution very addressing my design and manufacturing challenge. I believe by implementing integrated CAD-CAM will help us to achieve higher quality, meeting the deadline, and yes, reducing the error. And I'm happy I make the right decision by contacting you today. Thank you, Ken.
Okay, bye.